Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Let's look at my peppers. These are the peppers in the pot. Let's take a look. Look at all my peppers. Look at these. Beautiful. Beautiful peppers. Surprisingly, these have come along really well. Peppers are all turning. These watered, starting to show a little weakness. Whenever you see them kind of drooping like that, they need water. And it's been warm every day. But yeah, these are starting to get droopy. And I really need to trim them up. Those lower leaves are doing nothing anymore. Look at the size of that. These need picked. Look at that little one. Not as many on this one. Oh, look at all these flowers. Okay, look at all the flowers. A couple weeks we're going to have a lot of peppers on this one. A lot of flowers at the top. See, that tells me that I could have gotten this planted a lot earlier. And this plant would actually be producing all of these by now. So note for next year, plant peppers earlier. I need to do that on my tomatoes too. So, for sure. Alright. Well, thanks for stopping by. Just wanted to show a quick update on my peppers. I'm going to give these folks a little drink. And we'll stop back again, probably in a couple weeks, and see how all these have produced. Thanks for stopping by, everyone.